It's Bill from Bill and Abby's Box Breaks. Abby's hiding behind the Star Wars boxes. I got 2 for Christmas for myself, so this is the last 2 that the store had. So hopefully we get something good in them.
Okay, let's do this box first. I want this box first. Oh. Yeah.
Scissors.
Yeah, I'll hold these. You cut. Your bad cutter. There. So can I pick 2? That's a good idea.
Alright.
Can I pick 2?
Pick one for now. Pick one for now. And
You get to pick one.
That one.
Can I open one?
Not yet, buddy.
You just opened all your Pokemon
Yeah, you
ones.
opened all your Pokemon, so those ones are for me.
And me. You want me? Where,
We'll see.
just put the box.
Yeah,
That's
just
because they're.
that
these
doesn't
are,
go in the trash, so that goes in the recycling.
These are the last 2 boxes. That's why we just wanted us to do them.
Alright.
Oh.
Oh, you got 2 hits. Yeah, we got 2 hits in the
Oh,
box.
that is that med thing. Ooh, the blue.
Blue Edwin 2 tubes.
Ooh, so I got 2 hits. You open yours too. You have to open yours.
I'll
I'll show
mine.
my autograph. So my autograph. Oh, it's so cute. In white as Morgrove. Oh, it's so adorable. And then my second hit is a medallion. Okay, wait. Oh, that one is cool. It's Poe Dameron with BB-8.
And it's numbered.
It is?
Top corner.
Oh yeah, 30 to 40. That is so cool.
Good.
Okay, that pack felt heavy.
I want open.
Alright, let's see here.
I want open one.
No.
Wait, buddy.
That is so cool.
Got a blue Kanan
That one was a good start.
and a film cell
Oh, that's cool.
on
Right?
Bespin. It's not numbered. Alright, I'll let Riley open one. Pick one. On the front. Right there. And then that's it. And then you can have one more
Wait, no, you
out of
can
the other box. I'm going to open the last
Well,
one in
one
this
more.
box. I'm going to open the last one in this box so we can get one out of the other box.
Why do I only get
And
one?
I will see. We'll see how many we get. How many good stuff we get.
We get 4 boxes in each.
A 12 out of 99.
So Riley got a green Harris Sindola, 12 out of 99. Emperor regular card. A Captain Antilles regular card.
A 197 out of 560.
A numbered R2D2. 197 out of
I
565.
see that. Oh, it's
Oh,
like,
cool.
It's like one of those middle things.
Riley got an animation sketch.
Wait, that's a sketch?
It's a animated cell from the Ewoks cartoon.
That doesn't look
That's the
like
first one I got on that. It's a 1 of 1.
You can't just put them down there. You have to actually put them
And then
there.
that's just a regular one. Thank you, buddy.
Okay.
You can just leave the trash because there's going to be more.
Daddy.
Yes, this feels heavy, but
Maybe another medallion.
maybe
Heavy
not.
means
Oh, no.
All right.
That's cool. Oh, purple.
A purple
300
Bays
out of 10.
Melvis, numbered 50 out of 50.
Last one ever made. Oh, what is that? That's cool.
A
25 to
Evolution of the Rebel Alliance, 125 out of
Not from
249.
Rogue One.
it worked on me.
And a Lloyd Share as Mortis' father. Now I've got a dual autograph of the Mortis brother and Mortis sister. So now I've got the whole Mortis family. So
Wait, what about the Mortis mother?
I don't think there is a Mortis mother one.
Oh, okay.
So those are all numbered.
Those are.
Okay. busted.
Now can I open two?
You can get one for now. We'll see what we get.
I got something good, so.
Yep.
Auto and a medallion. So I should have gotten two.
I got something
Alright,
good.
let's cut the top. Oops.
Ow,
I
that hurt.
I just stabbed Abby.
Thanks.
You'll live.
Ow.
It didn't leave a mark.
11 bucks. Take 11 bucks.
Alright. I'll open this one. This one. This one. Now I'll open this one.
301 out of 10.
Ugh. Yeah.
Oops, careful.
Shucks the table.
Hopefully I can get another sketch or an auto from somebody really good. That would be awesome. Alright, got a numbered Saw Gerrera, 39 of 99.
Two more.
Oh my gosh, I got some good cards.
And I got a Garrick Hagon as Biggs Dark Glider.
Okay, so
autograph.
I got R2D2 Adventures. That's cool. That's almost like that one that we got. It actually, that is a big.
It's the exact same cards, just not numbered.
Yeah. Then I got a blue Chewbacca. That does not look like Chewbacca
Let
at
me
all.
see.
It's Chewbacca with a mask. He's got a mask on.
Let me see it.
Ooh, and then I got a shiny Meeting Unicity. 8 an 8 out of 249. And then my auto is Philmar as Kit Fisto from the animated series. Okay, now can I open the second box? I
Alright.
got a pretty good box.
I want
You're picking. You
I hope
see.
you don't.
this one.
Ah, that's the one I
You
wanted.
get that one. Okay. The last two boxes because they didn't have any more at the store, and he said he's probably not getting any more in. So let's hope for a top autograph. But yeah, those go in recycling.
Plus the boxes. Ooh, that is cool. That might be numbered. No, it's not, but that looks pretty cool with the red in the background and stuff. Oh my gosh, I got a bunch of good things. Got that looks cool. Okay, got one of these silver cards, number 340 to
Blue Chariot.
340 out of 565.
Box is not bad.
Mine ended on a dud. I got a film cell.
Daddy had a dog.
Empire.
I got a green 35 out of 99. That we got a purple one out of that. Okay.
Yep.
Got two. And I got another R2D2.
That one's not
one.
numbered.
Yeah, that one's not numbered. And then my last one, I got a film cell as well.
Ugh, 2 film cells out of that box.
Oh, that's cool. It's Luke and C-3PO. Rebels Depart for and that's really cool though.
So only one of one. The animation cell was a one of one. 2 film cells, 1 medallion, 4
Oh,
autos.
I thought we got 3 film cells.
No,
Yeah.
we got 2.
Yeah.
Oh, 3? Okay.
Yeah, I was gonna say
oh
we
yeah,
just-
3 film cells. 3 film cells, 1 medallion, 4 autos. Best auto is probably the Biggs. At least
Where?
it's a regular character from the movies.
Oh,
Biggs.
that's one before.
Yep. So, anyway, that is it for the Star Wars boxes because, like I said, he's not getting any more in. So, hit and miss. I was hoping for another sketch card at least, or at least a top autograph, but those are so hard to pull because they're all numbered to 40 or less, I believe. So, anyway, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Merry Christmas.